Finding ways of improving the efficiency of processes can help reduce the amount of energy needed for them. So most processes, like boiling water for example, will always require the same output, so reducing the input is important. We can analyse the efficiency equation to find ways of improving this. We could start by increasing the numerator. The total useful output energy is equal to the total input energy minus the wasted energy. If we decrease the wasted energy, we can increase the efficiency overall. We could also decrease the denominator. By decreasing the input energy, the total useful output is proportionally larger, and this increases the efficiency as well. So in what ways can we reduce the wasted energy? Efficiency can be improved by reducing the input energy required to complete a process. So basically, we don't want to input more energy than we have to. Let's consider the case of lifting a box up onto a platform. We need to input a supply of gravitational potential energy. If we lift the box manually, it not only requires us to lift the weight of the box, but also our own weight, so there is more input required. If we use a crane to lift the box, it reduces the input energy, as it only has to lift the box and doesn't have to lift its own weight. This increases the efficiency of the process as the denominator on the fraction is smaller due to less input energy. You don't need to know this specific method of reducing input energy for your exam, but you might be expected to describe how given methods reduce input. Efficiency can be improved by reducing the effects of resistive forces so that less energy is lost as heat. So wasted energy is normally due to heat loss and the work done against friction. A car accelerating is a good example that shows numerous ways we can reduce wasted energy. If we were to lubricate the engine, this reduces friction within the moving parts of the engine, and therefore the amount of energy lost as heat is reduced. We could streamline the body of the car. This reduces air resistance as there's fewer collisions between the car and the air particles. We could use low friction wheels, which can roll along and they don't drag or slide along the surface, and this also reduces the heat loss. We can try driving more slowly. To travel faster and cover the same distance in less time wastes energy due to things like the increase in air resistance. We can use many other methods to reduce wasted energy, like insulating our homes, but overall, the less waste we have from a process means more useful output, and therefore the more efficient the process is, as the numerator is larger. You don't need to know this specific example for your exam, but you might be expected to describe how given methods reduce wasted energy and therefore improve efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!